Well, I'm getting ready to build another computer. I think I've got pretty much everything I need. But I want to start off with this motherboard. I got it yesterday, and it's a gaming motherboard. Then I got the Intel i9 processor, 12th gen, and 32 gigs of DDR5. Got Windows 11 Pro. And I'm gonna use my old video card that I had in my other computer until I get another better one. I got the CPU cooler, and I got the case and all the parts. There's my case. Got the power supply in it. Corsair 750 watts. And I got my SSD, and I got my other hard drives. I got 2 more hard drives over there. So I'm just about ready. Just haven't really decided if I want to use water cooling or my old cooler. That's just a standard cooler. I had it on my other one, but I'm debating that right now, trying to figure out what I want to do. Alright, we'll see how I get along with it. Well, here's what the motherboard looks like. Right there's where I'm going to put the CPU. And there's the motherboard slots. It's got some 4 or 5 M2 slots. I haven't never used M2 hard drives. There's the processor. It's the Core i9 12900K. Supposed to be a pretty good one. Alright, we'll see what else I can get into. Well, I decided to try to use a water cooler, so they didn't have it over at the Best Buy in Midwest City, so I had to go all the way to the one in Moore. I got a Corsair Super Chilled, and then I got some thermal paste. I already had some, but they was like quite a few years old, probably 10 years old, so I had a little bitty one, and I was afraid that wouldn't be enough in that little thing. So okay, I'm gonna give it a try. I gotta get on the ball here. Well, I got it put together. I'm working on getting my software put back on, and I gotta do a lot of cable management, and I still gotta get a video card. They don't really have any anywhere I'm looking. There's a shortage on them, so I'll probably have to order one and wait for it. But yeah, it's a nice case. It's got a lot of airflow. It's got a USB on the top, and it's got Wi-Fi built in. I know it's dark in here. That's my Wi-Fi cable thing. It's my Wi-Fi cable, or Wi-Fi antenna, that's what it is. Yeah, this is the first motherboard I've ever had that had Wi-Fi. But let's see what else. Yeah, I still gotta get it put together. Got my Samsung SED right there. Let's see. Yeah, there's a back that goes on here. And then I got some SATA hard drives to put in with all my stuff on it. And that is a water, not well, I guess it's a liquid cooled. Just a fan that goes up to the radiator. I decided to use that kind instead of air cooled, because this is an i9 and they get pretty hot. It's got all kinds of different settings for the lights and stuff. For this part, the cooler, the pump, and that little deal back there. That's the motherboard there that changes all the lights. Yeah. And this is the light controller. It controls everything. Once I get all the wires and all that kind of stuff wrapped up tight where they go. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's my fan control software. Control the fans and the pump and all that stuff. This is Windows 11. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it that much, but guess we'll see. Well, I got me a gaming keyboard and a mouse. They didn't have exactly what I was looking for, but they had these in stock, Logitech brands. I guess I'll try them out and see how they work. I don't like the wireless stuff because it's got it hesitates, so that bugs me. I want it to be instant. Alright, I'll check them out and see if I like them. Well, I got some case fans. It's a set of 3. They've got the colors in them. And getting ready to take that apart, see what they look like. Well, I got the fans in. And I got it pretty much organized. All the wires pretty much put in there. And I guess that's about it. I think I can put the side on it and test it out. All of these lights, you can adjust the colors on them. So I'm gonna do that now, and we'll see what happens. Well, this is what it looks like when it's all done. I still gotta get a video card, but this video card, a couple of the fan blades broke off, so I'm gonna have to get me another card sometime. But I got my fans put in on the front. You can do a lot of different colors on them if you want to change it up. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.